Hey guys, I'm going to be playing Lifeboat server games, so let's start playing Lifeboat server games. So let's start. Wait, sorry, I put the screen on the wrong side. So let us join the game. Okay. So let me just do this. Just type in my name. Okay, I am logged in, and I'm just gonna chat a little something. So. Hi, I'm recording for YouTube. Oh, sorry guys. So we're gonna jump into a game, and it's just gonna get the server, just a good look at it. And this is LBSG, and there's a bunny right there, and this emerald block gives you a boost. So I know what to do. Running. There's no maps. Does this work? Nope. So we have to look for a map so people could join. So I'm gonna try to find a match to join, a good match. So let's join. I'm gonna tell people to join Lost Zoo. It's not working. No, it's not working. Lawsuit. It's not working. Dang it. Not working. Sad face. Dang it. So guys, I'm gonna find a match, and then I'll bring you back after this cut quickly. Guys, we're back. So we are back to this match right here. I'm gonna start. So I'm gonna the strategy is to team with somebody. So let me put team anyone. Let's see. Anybody accept my message? So under Jazz, no, not under Jazz. I mean under C. Sorry. So he wants to you're a weirdo, Taylor. No. No, Taylor, right? Diamond Nickel. Unicorn. You weird. Guys, I'm posting a video. Stop, please. Oh my god. Saying the S word. So, okay, thank you. Let's start. No, I'm pumped. I'm ready to kick some butt. because I'm gonna win. Yum, 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 yum. I'm ready. I'm ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! I got some armor and some mushrooms, which I don't even need. Okay, I got some armor and I get in. 15 seconds, guys. You have to run. You have to run up this hill. Or something like that. Oh god, we have to run. People have swords and everything. So, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, let's go up. We are no longer... Oh no! I'm falling to my doom. Oh god, she's after me. She or he, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just running for my life. Run, fall. Ouch! Oh no, I'm gonna die. No! There's death everywhere. No! Indigo! No! Well, that was a crappy game. So, GG. So, let's do some parkour. Let's just do some parkour because I suck at Hunger Games. Let's just do some parkour. Even though I suck at Minecraft Pocket Edition parkour, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So, yeah, let's start. 1. Okay. No! I need to make it. I at least need to make the parkour before this video ends. So, another one. Another one. Yes. Yes. Okay. If I could do another one, that would be great. Yes. If I could do another one, that would be supreme. Oh my gosh. How am I surviving this? If I could make it, I'm awesome. No! Well, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy, even though I didn't even play a proper game, but it was pretty fun. So, say hi to YouTube. No, sorry. Leave a like and subscribe. No, not sponsor. Subscribe for more. Bye. Bye, guys. Have a good day. Guys, I broke the game. Yeah, I can't. I broke the game. Whoa! Look what I did, guys. I broke the game. Literally, it looks like we're in heaven right now. We're walking on ice or something. I'm gonna just type it. Guys, I broke the game. No blocks. Just people. This is crazy. Oh my god, this is cray cray. Check the video to see. 40. For what? YouTube, bruh. YouTube. Don't think I'm pranking, because I'm not. Well, hi to you guys too. I'll leave my channel. When I quit, I'll leave my channel to you guys. So, thanks for you guys. So, my channel is GD Gaming. Bye, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I just met some really cool people, so I hope they check my channel out. This might spark into a good YouTube channel, and this is just for fun. This was boring, but see you guys later. So peace. Have a peace.